Hello everyone. We today discuss that remaining part from that nomenclature of organic compounds. Here we discuss nomenclature of class of organic compounds, that is ethers. Ethers, important organic compounds used as solvents, we know that, and containing functional group R, O, R dash. That R dash may be same or different alkyl groups or aryl groups. That ether consists two carbon oxygen bonds, that is both valencies of oxygen are satisfied with bonding with carbon on both sides. In common name systems, that ethers are named as alkyl or aryl ether, that is name of two alkyl groups followed by word ether. For example, if we consider common name system, CH3O CH3 as named as a dimethyl ether, dimethyl ether. In then if we consider as a, this one is diethyl ether, then this one is considered as a ethyl methyl ether in common name system. But we already know that common name system is not important or not important, or that have many limitations, and we consider IUPAC nomenclatures, which one is universally accepted. In IUPAC systems, ethers are simply named as alkoxyalkane. Remember these two words only, alkoxyalkane. That is that one of the alkyl group, smaller alkyl group, is considered as a substituent with oxygen. Smaller alkyl group with oxygen is considered as a substituent and named first as a alkoxy group. Alkoxy group, here methyl is there, therefore methoxy group. And another alkyl group, which one is larger, that considered as a parent. Here parent two carbons, therefore ethane. Parent is ethane, substituent is methoxy, ethane. Therefore very simple, remember in IUPAC system ethers are named as alkoxyalkane, that is name of smaller substituent with oxygen as a prefix. Here methoxy and propane, that location is shown as a 2-methoxy, location of methoxy group is shown here, 2-methoxy propane. Very simple here. In this way that groups ethers are named. Here if you consider this example, then at one of the side 5 carbons and that group is here, ester is there, therefore, and here smaller group is with 2 carbon and bromine substituents. Therefore, first that one is 2-bromoethyl as a substituent and 3-hydroxy pentanoate, because this one is not example of that. Sorry, this one is not example of that ether. That one is ester and ester class of compound. Therefore, instead of that we consider ether. Here, if we consider this one is example of ether, smaller alkyl group with oxygen also possess bromine atom. Therefore, that smaller again named and numbering as a 1-2-. Therefore, 2-bromoethoxy, 2-bromoethoxy as a substituent, and parent, that one again numbering as a 1, 2, 3, 2-methyl propane. Parent is 2-methyl propane. In this way, here, if that alkyl groups are larger, both are larger, then separately their numbering is separate for both groups. One is simple 1, 2, 3, and another is simple another is as a 1-2-3 in this way. Then if you consider this another example here, then one is simple smaller group methoxy, 1-methoxy butane. Then another one is here smaller is considered ethoxy, ethene, simple ethoxy, ethene. Instead of ethane, double bond is there, therefore ethoxy ethene alkene, therefore, or ethyl phenyl ether, this one is common name. Then in this case chlorine is also there, therefore parent is considered with chlorine. Therefore 1-chloro-2-ethoxy, 1-chloro-2-ethoxy ethane. Parent is with 2 carbon, therefore ethane. Then here 2 same ethoxy groups, therefore consider world as a diethoxy, and location 1,3-dimethoxy, dimethoxy. To both are methoxy groups, OCH3 means methoxy. 1,3-dimethoxy, 1,3-dimethoxy and 3 carbons, therefore propane, 1,3-dimethoxy propane. Then here instead of di they used here bis. Bis means also di. Here this one is as a common name they used here. Here IUPAC 1, 2 and 1-2-, 2-bromoethoxy, 2-bromoethane. This one is also IUPAC name. Here common name they considered bis means 2 times 2-bromoethyl ether. This one is common name actually. What is IUPAC name of this compound? Consider one of the group as a 1, 2, other as a 1-2-. Therefore consider 1-2- as a that substituent 2-bromoethoxy, 2-bromoethoxy in bracket this one is, and other in out of bracket 2-bromoethane, 2-bromoethane means 2-bromoethoxy 2-bromoethane. This one is IUPAC name. Then in this way that ethers are named. Here 2 dash oxy diethanol. Both side groups are same, therefore between 2 and 2 dash oxygen is there. Therefore in this way also that ethers are named, that is 2 dash oxy diethanol. Here 3 dash oxy dipropanoic acid. Then if that oxygen is present in this way, in a ring form, in ring structure, then that compounds are known as epoxides. Then what is epoxide? Epoxide is three-membered cyclic system. Remember that epoxide is three-membered ring. Epoxide is three-membered cyclic system or three-membered ring having oxygen as a one of the atom, heteroatom. Other two are carbons. Therefore, one of the atom is oxygen. What is epoxide? Epoxide is three-membered cyclic ring having oxygen as a one of the ring atom, one of the heteroatom, which is part of that ring. Then here they are also here named under the class of ethers that are not actually ethers, that are derivative of oxygen and alkanes. Therefore they are named here under heading ethane. Here that these are also derivatives of alkane. Therefore consider numbering from the total number of carbons, consider parent alkane and show the location of that epoxide ring. Here in this case 5 carbons, therefore propane is a pentane is a parent alkane. Therefore epoxide, therefore location of epoxide is 2,3, between 2,3 carbon. Therefore 2,3 epoxy pentane, 2,3 epoxy pentane. Here 1 chloro 2,3 epoxy propane, 1 chloro 2,3 epoxy propane. In this way, here 2,3 epoxy butanoic acid, parent is butanoic acid. Therefore 2,3 epoxy butanoic acid. Okay, thank you. We discuss in next lecture nomenclature of amines.